Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to write italic text on WhatsApp without using any other app. But first, you need to download WhatsApp and then click WhatsApp and then write a word that you want to be italic. So, you need to put the underscore and then the word that you want to be italicized. So I want to say hello and then sandwich it with another underscore. So yeah, it makes it italicized. So if you want only and if you want to say how are you? How are you? And you want to make the you italicized. So you can put how are you? And then question mark and then voila, the U is only italicized. And yeah, that's it. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching.